Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. And on the inside, with power windows and door locks, heated front seats, has a heated steering wheel, XM radio, Bluetooth, and roof. Our 2021 Trail Boss has a 6.2 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and off-road tires. Rear passenger compartment with lots of room, seating for 3. Also has the Chevy molded heavy-duty mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 1500 Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.